Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.Exchange. High volatile market, but the volatility was restricted to Bank Nifty. Probably today is a Bank Nifty expiry. So, in fact, yesterday itself, towards the end of the day, there was a huge selling. In fact, yesterday in the last 1 hour, if I am not wrong, Bank Nifty has fallen 300 points. And today that continued. As I told you in the morning today, HDFC Bank ADR and ICICI Bank ADR both were negative. So it has shown here. At some point of time, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Kotak Bank, Axis Bank. So the big four private sector banks were all down. In fact, these four stocks were contributing highest number of points for Nifty on the downside, as well as for Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty has fallen about 800 points from intraday high yesterday to intraday low today. But however, in the last 45 minutes, this expiry day injection stories, 300 point fall and then 500 point shot up, all happened in a matter of 30-40 minutes. I think there was a sudden fall of about 300 points in just in a matter of 5-minute candle. So this is a regular thing, but the smart traders, they are trading, instead of trading in the today's expiry, they go for tomorrow's expiry. Means yesterday, instead of trading in Fin Nifty, they trade in Bank Nifty. Today, instead of trading Bank Nifty, they trade Nifty, which is expiring tomorrow. So in US, the intraday expiry, they call it as 0 DTE. The option that is expiring tomorrow, they call it as 1 DTE, 1 day to expiry. So most smart people are moving to 1 DTE. Those who traded in Nifty, today fantastic profit. The Bank Nifty was too volatile. So because of Infosys and Reliance, in fact Infosys was down yesterday in US market, but today surprisingly that was very, very firm since morning. Since morning it was Reliance and Infosys that helped the market. So today Nifty closed about 70 points higher. In fact, it closed about 100 points higher on a closing basis, on a last traded price basis. But because of weighted average closing, because the market shot up in the last half an hour, because of weighted average closing, it is showing only 70 points. But Bank Nifty is very, very pathetic. And now Nifty is just 1% away from its all-time high. But Bank Nifty is 4% from all-time high. In fact, if that 4% would have already contributed more than 1% for Nifty. I think about 30% is the weightage for banking stocks in Nifty. So if not for Bank Nifty by this time, Nifty would have hit all-time high. So I was joking with my friend. My friend is a very good BJP supporter. He said, sir, you see on June 4, markets will hit all-time high because that's what Amit Shah and PM said. Then I said, both Amit Shah and PM will be wrong. Markets will be hitting all-time high even before June 4. So, we just only 200 points for all-time high. But we have how many more trading sessions? We have 6 more trading sessions for this series, and then 6 plus 2, 8 trading sessions before the election. So if global sentiment is good, even if Nifty catches up 25 points for every trading session on an average, and Nifty has the potential to touch all-time high even before the election results. But the point here, what is going to happen after the results? But I can tell you very, very clearly, in case if we are going to election results at all-time high, then definitely the upside potential is much lower than the downside potential. So if you want to take some risk, you can consider doing a call ratio using a 22,000 call and 25,000 call in December series. So that's because Nifty might expire somewhere between 22,000 and 25,000 in the month of December. Any party comes, no, market may temporarily go up, but ultimately markets will go higher. And my target for the year 2024 is 24,000. I think I have come out with the video. But only major concern is that there should not be any hung parliament. So that is the only concern. Right. So anyway, so those things we will discuss later. And today morning I reported, looking at the open interest yesterday, I told you people are selling aggressively put options in Nifty and aggressively call options in Bank Nifty. So those who have done, they would have made money in both the sides. The put premiums have crashed in Nifty, call premiums, has gone to zero today. So anyway, so we will see. Right now the European markets are in a slight jitter mode because the UK inflation came slightly higher than expected. It came lower than the last month, but higher than the expected. US markets are also likely to be, a little bit nervous because today they have, for the last like 1 week to 10 days, there was no event at all in US. So markets were trading almost flat. But now today, Fed meeting minutes and NVIDIA results. I think today morning I mentioned wrongly, NVIDIA, the share trading around $950. The lot size is 100. So one lot of NVIDIA is around $1 lakh. So I have about 5 lots, but I don't have long or short. Okay, you know about me. I have a NVIDIA call ratio. So I have bought 800 call option and sold 1250 call option. Then I sold 700 put option. So this is for the month of December. So, like I tend to behave like a Warren Buffett, never touch short-term options, only the long-term options. So I will also be waiting eagerly because my stake, is about $500,000 in NVIDIA. When I say $500,000 is the notional value, not the money that I put it. Yeah. So anyway, so we will see tomorrow. We will have some clarity both in India as well as US. And today FIIs did not sell much. Domestic institutions did not buy much. But FII net figure may be misleading, but you have to look at the gross figure. And that gross figure is still more than 16,000 crore. That should come down to 8,000 to 10,000 crore. So this gross figure, more people are exiting and more new people are entering, that's making markets too volatile. So anyway, rest of the things we will discuss tomorrow morning. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.